Short story. I fell in love. Next episode of I Found a Job.
On Wednesday, I go to school again. There is one student in the class who is more quiet than other students. She is from South Korea. When our teacher asks if we have any questions for her, this student from Korea says that she has a question. She says that she has a big problem with pronunciation. She knows that her pronunciation is not very good, but she doesn't know how to make it better. She doesn't speak much because she doesn't like her pronunciation. She says that she reads and watches films in English a lot. She understands very well, but she also wants to speak well. She asks if there is something what she can do with her pronunciation. When my teacher hears this, she says, "Okay, I can tell you something about pronunciation and how to practice it. I also want to teach you a technique which can help you with pronunciation. First, we have to look at why students have problems with pronunciation. When we speak, we have to move our mouth. We have to use muscles in our mouth. The problem is that when you speak English, sometimes you use your muscles like in your native language. Then your English pronunciation is like pronunciation in your native language. This happens to many students who learn English. Almost every student has a little different pronunciation than native speakers have. It is not a big problem because usually people understand what you want to say. You are a student and it is logical that your pronunciation is not perfect when you study English. But you can work on your pronunciation and make it better. There is a great technique that can help you a lot. The name of this technique is shadowing. The technique is very simple. When you do shadowing, you simply copy the sound which you hear. When children learn their first language, they also copy what they hear. They copy after their parents again and again, and after some time their pronunciation is perfect. You can learn English pronunciation the same way. You can take some video which is not very fast and which you understand very well. You listen and you copy what you hear when you hear it. It is all. Then we all try to do shadowing for about 3 minutes. I practice with my Korean friend. We practice very efficiently. I asked her name. Her name is Mia. She has long, black hair. She wears a black skirt with a white shirt. She is very pretty. Although she is Asian, but her skin is very white and smooth. She didn't talk much, just answered my questions. Suddenly, she saw little birds outside the window and she smiled. Her smile made me dizzy. I just stood there looking at her. Right now I don't know why my heart is beating so fast. My hands sweat a lot. Maybe I fell in love with Mia. On the way home I thought about a lot of things. I thought I have a good teacher, I have a good job, and have good friends. Maybe Mia will be my girlfriend in the future. I felt very happy. Anyway, tomorrow I am starting my job.